Welcome back to the channel. We are now back from Gatlinburg, the car show down there that I attended. In this video, we are going to be tearing into the STI a little bit. Unfortunately, when I was down there, something happened with the STI. I was at a pre-meet, and as I was getting ready to leave and warming up the car, I saw a check engine light, and then the car died about 10 feet after driving it. So I pulled off the timing covers, the both sides, to see if I could visibly see anything. Now at first everything looked okay, the cam wasn't broken, the bolt didn't back out, everything was there. But I was looking at the timing belt, and this might be hard for you guys to see, but the timing belt is loose, and that's not a good sign. So it skipped timing and whatnot, and bent a couple valves. So I think the game plan in today's video is to do a leak down test. I went ahead and went to Harbor Freight, bought a tester. There has to be bent valves. I'm just gonna do the tester to verify and see if the valves are actually bent. But I'll throw you guys on a little time lapse of getting the car stripped down to where I can access the spark plugs easier. Alright, here is a better view of the timing. As you guys can see, there's just no tension. I'll set you guys back on a time lapse and see what we got going on. Alright, we're fast forwarding just a couple days here. I was not able to finish the car, I had stuff come up, but today I'm trying to get this 100% figured out and dialed in. I am going to just pull the motor though. I don't know why I didn't think about this before. The motor already has to come out regardless because I do need to put a new clutch on there. So I might as well just do the compression, or not compression test, leak down test with the motor out of the car. Makes it a million times easier. And the motor already has to come out regardless. So I think today we're just going to get this motor pulled out of the car and do the leak down test and see what we're looking at. Little update for you guys. We are making some progress on the motor pull of the STI. We have the radiator out, a lot of accessories. I'm disconnected. I am going to be pulling everything together again. I really like this method a lot better. When I do end up getting this out, I need to write on my little whiteboard everything that I need to order, replace, because I haven't ordered anything for this car yet. I don't know the extent of the valves, if I need to order all new valves, only a few valves, clutch, all of that stuff. So once this is apart, I need to get a list down because I forget a lot of the small things. So I need to get a list down, write it all down, and then order everything and get this car back on the road. Alright, I think we got everything disconnected now, and we are now ready to pull the motor. All the bell housing bolts, everything should be disconnected. Gonna grab the cherry picker and take this motor out of here. Alright, we now have the motor outside of the car. Came out like butter. We are now going to tear apart this timing. See what we can see what failed underneath the timing cover, what was not torqued down. And then we're going to go ahead and do the leak down test and see what we're looking at. I don't know if you guys saw that when I took off the timing cover, what was wrong. I'm speechless what the issue is. I knew this was the issue, but I'll have to show you guys. If you guys see here, the main timing pulley bracket that everything bolts up to, there's no bolts. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see. I just pulled this forward. The bolt snapped. If you guys can see inside my brand new block. So I did put the bolts in, at least. I knew I did not forget that. I'm normally very cautious. We did throw this together. This motor was out like 3 times in 24 hours trying to fix a lot of small issues. And we got the car running like a couple hours before we left. As I was taking a video to send to a couple people, I saw one of the bolts sitting on top of the block. It's not focusing, but here is one of the snap bolts. I've yet to find the other, but there we go. Well, I think that's going to end out today's video. There is absolutely no need to do a leak down test now, seeing what actually happened. Leak down, it's just wasted time at that point doing a leak down test. Next video I will take this motor apart and see what's going on. But I'm a little bit speechless. Very unfortunate. It is a brand new and quite expensive long block that has, I don't know, 15 miles on it. But it is what it is. At least I got the motor out of the car. I will be getting some of these parts ordered up after I'm going to pull the heads off first to see exactly what all is damaged. get the clutch ordered, stuff like that. But there she is, everybody. I'm a little bit speechless. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys stay tuned for part 2 to see the carnage internally. I don't know, drop a comment what you guys think the damage will be, and I'll see you guys in the next one.